Here we have a 64 plate BMW 430D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all unmarked and in excellent condition. We also have the mineral grey metallic exterior paintwork. We have the LED daytime running headlights, 2 gloss black front kidney grills. We also have the M Performance kit, which includes the front splitter. We have the side skirts along the bottom. We also have the colour-coded door handles, the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top we have the shark fin antennae. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Round to the rear you find that we have the rear spoiler, we have the rear diffuser with the twin pipe exhaust as well. And back round to the driver's side you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a quick look at the interior, inside of here you find that we have the full leather interior, the red leather. We have the 2 seats at the back as well, just there, the foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points as well. Both of these front seats are electrically adjustable. The driver's seat has the memory function and they are also both heated as well. We have the auto lights just there, the electric windows and electric mirrors. We also have the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters either side. We have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there. There is a quick look at the dashboard, along with the main infotainment screen in the centre. If that's flickering on the camera, then that is just the camera, it's not like that in reality. On here you find the likes of the sat-nav. We also have the DAB radio, have the Bluetooth phone connectivity, all of the different drive modes and much more. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. Thank you for watching.